As someone who relies on the Eisenhower Matrix to prioritize your day, BeforeSunset AI offers powerful features to enhance this proven productivity system. Here is how to implement each quadrant effectively within the app. When facing critical tasks that need immediate attention, write down your to-dos in BeforeSunset AI. Apply high priority tags to mark these quadrant 1 tasks. Choose the Eat the Frog AI planning method and let the AI organize your day to tackle these bigger, urgent tasks first. This approach ensures you address your most critical responsibilities immediately, preventing last-minute crises while maintaining focus on what truly matters. For tasks that matter but don't require immediate action, add medium priority tags to these quadrant 2 items. Assign specific days to each to-do, and use the Move to Tomorrow feature when needed for better workload balance. This methodical approach ensures your important long-term priorities get appropriate attention without the pressure of artificial urgency, allowing for deeper, more strategic work. When facing tasks that demand quick action but don't align with your key priorities, apply low priority tags to identify these quadrant 3 items. Use the Move to Later feature to reconsider timing, delegate tasks to team members if needed, and alternatively, assign specific days to address these to-dos later on. This strategy prevents urgent but low-value tasks from hijacking your day while ensuring they are still handled appropriately. To identify and remove time-wasting activities, for 1 week, use filtering to identify tasks consistently marked with non-priority tags. Review your history to spot repetitive, low-value patterns, and for each identified task, ask yourself, will I lose anything if I don't do this task? Does it really contribute to me or my work? If the answer is no to both questions, use the delete function without hesitation. Remember, the ultimate goal of the Eisenhower Matrix is keeping you focused on truly valuable work. BeforeSunset AI's features make it easier than ever to identify and eliminate these productivity drains. By implementing this systematic approach within BeforeSunset AI, you'll transform the theoretical Eisenhower Matrix into a practical daily workflow that continuously improves your productivity and focus. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.